Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TD Bank Online Banking, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for TD Bank's official website. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will see a drop-down menu. Select Personal Banking from the options provided. This will direct you to the Personal Online Banking login page. In the login field, enter your user ID. Next, input your password in the designated password field. Make sure to double-check that your information is entered correctly. If you wish, you can select the Remember Me option for quicker access in the future. Once you have filled in your credentials, click the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be directed to your online banking dashboard. In case you forget your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID/Password link. Follow the prompts on the screen to recover your information. If you encounter any issues, you can contact TD Bank's customer service for assistance. And that's all there is to it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.